Major military maneuvers are underway and the global balance of power just got more intense from massive US-Philippine drill near Taiwan to Russia turning capture American vehicle into frontline weapons. Here are two biggest defense stories making headlines worldwide. US and Philippines launched the largest ever Black-Tan military drill near Taiwan. The United States and the Philippines have kicked off their largest ever joint military exercise called Balikatan 2025. These high intensity war games are taking place just a few hundred miles from Taiwan, a region that increasingly become a flashpoint in US-China tension. Over 70,000 troops are participating, including forces from US, Philippines, Australia, and France. The drill simulates full-scale battle scenario, including amphibious assault, urban warfare, air defense, and cyber operations. Live fire exercises are being held across multiple strategic locations in the Philippines, including the northern island closest to Taiwan. Why this is important? This exercise aims to boost military readiness and coordination between allies. But more importantly, it sends a strong signal to China, which has been increasingly its military presence near Taiwan and in the South China Sea. Experts believe this is a clear message the US and partners are ready to defend the Indo-Pacific region from any aggression. This is just not training. It is a strategic message to Beijing that the status quo in the region will be dependent. Russia deployed capture US Bradley fighting vehicle. In a dramatically twist from the battlefield, Russia in 155 separate naval infantry brigade has reportedly deployed a capture US-made Bradley M282 Odas as an infantry fighting vehicle in the Kursk region near Ukraine. Where did it come from? The vehicle was originally supplied by the US to Ukraine as a part of military aid package. During fighting in eastern Ukraine, Russia forces reportedly captured the vehicle intact. Now, photo and report suggest it's been repurposed and added to the Russia frontline arsenal. These are the more than just a battlefield trophy. It gives Russia insight into American military technology. It also has psychological impact, showing Russia troops using Western supplied hardware against its original allies. Plus, its complicated battlefield strategy, Western weapons may now face their own